Yeah, that sounds sick, actually.
Oh! I'm nasty! And
Yeah,
kills!
keep yelling. It's actually dope.
Yelling.
No!
It sounds sick.
I'm dead!
Fragging 1, 2, 3, 4 stacking.
I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
Quad feeds. Oh, shit.
Voice change.
What one?
Oh my god, I was about to say, are you like in the back of a freaking Boeing?
Well, I'm an astronaut in space, so what would you expect, Noah from YouTube?
I don't know, you sound like Morgan Freeman in space.
I still sound like Morgan Freeman?
In space, though.
Maybe I just sound like Morgan Freeman.
Yeah, that could be it, right?
I think I just have a very Morgan Freeman-esque voice.
Yeah, naturally. Bro, can you play the objective?
No. Yes, I'm going. Here, there's slide.
I need help.
And I'm seeing a China.
He actually spawned behind me. Point blank, I'm dead.
We're gonna be on the point right now, trust.
Dude, these spawns are atrocious.
No. The timing on that was ridiculous.
I'm dead, 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 I'm dead. I'm alive. I'm alive! Oh my god, they're spawning on me, though. Oh, we're 6 points away from losing. That's tragic.
Like popping off now, so it's fine. You just come back and don't die.
I'm just playing the objective heavy.
I'm actually playing objective headset.
W. Hey, make this comeback, buddy. My problem is I don't have any mobility on this build. So it's a beam. Okay, okay. Okay. I'm about to get an advanced.
I have an advanced right now. Maybe you want me to pop?
Yeah, pop it, pop it. Oh my god, we come back? Down objective?
They're about to be on the point. They're about to be on the point.
No, they're not. No, they're not.
LEA switched them right now.
I'm here. I'm on the point.